Hello future tech leaders, I am Sindhuja. Based on my own experience, I know that learning the right skills can shape our future. What if I say learning was as thrilled as the tech world itself? There we go. A cloud foundation, that's exactly what you will experience. From day one, you will be immersed in the interactive sessions and expert-led courses that covers most of the widely used technologies in the zone of data science to cloud computing, which brings more light to the life of a techie. I'm so excited to help you and unlock the true potential of a technology. Well, then why to wait? Let's see what it unfolds.
So let me start the design of second application, that is API on SolarWinds database site. So this would be System API SolarWinds database System API. So what is object? What is table name? What record we are storing in the Solar database? So see, as of now, we are building the API for our requirement. Our requirement is just to delete or to update an alert from the this thing right service. No, sorry, so long database. Right tomorrow you may get some other requirement in that part of that requirement. You may need to add a record to this alert table. Or you may need to update an alert table. You may get such kind of requirement. So if you develop an API, you are giving some provision to expand your, API. You can expand and you can do the such operations, right? Yeah. So keeping this limitation in mind, I am just creating only one operation, the delete operation. So yeah, so as part of this, you are doing two things, right? One thing is you are retrieving the alert. Somewhere here, select start from alert where alert air is equal based on the alert you are retrieving. Yeah, and you're deleting the alert based on some alert, right? Yeah. So we use support for these two operations in your API. So one is for get. It has some example over here from get okay, then you not need to say anything. delete. Something if you keep that only, but it's not properly formatted, is so. Deleted, get message like successfully deleted, that's okay. So, okay, when we get the alert, when we retrieve the alert based on the alert aid. So, do we know the payload? What payload it returns? Do we have any Postman query for that? Just to create an alert object over here. I think we excluded the fire for Postman. Postman, no Postman, right? So, it returns to only that record. So what I meant to say, you have the database access, right? Can you show and execute the query? Select start from map to alert. Okay, yeah, that's the first query, the first line. So yeah, it contains 7 record 1, 2, 3, 4. So, okay, cool. Okay, then in this case is okay. We need not to create any alert object over here. What we can do is make it simple. So I should open. This also opening, even this one also not opening. Okay. It says design mode. The design mode, click on this should open, but it's opening over here. Okay, yeah, drag it and put over here so that you can see. Alright, so let me debug and see one sec. Payload, not payload, right? I say paid. Okay, what is the payload now? Yeah, payload. Yeah, it is empty. Strange payload is empty. But which could transform it? No, there is no matching record in the database. I'm checking database with that. I'll add 133299 in the database. Come on, here we go to design mode. And create one more application. So something. So we are not creating any data into database, right? We are not inserting any record, any new record. So we're getting alert, but we are not concerned about the entire data that is coming out of database. You only concerned about the 8. Yeah, right? So yeah. It doesn't make sense to create an entire alert, but we need to create the entire alerted here also because our goal is not only delete. Our goal is to prepare a full-fledged system, APN based on top of the Solar database, right? We need to create entire the objects also if you want to build an entire API. So, therefore, I want to know how the JSON returns. What are fields the returning from the, JSON. I want to debug and I want to get the grab the fields. We can create an object, alt object, and here also we can build a library. Yeah, that's we can do. That's required. So now our requirement is limited. So I'm going with this one. Okay. So we have two flows stated, one for this, one for delete and one for return you the alert. Okay, we'll pass the alerted. Based on that, will be distributed the flow deleted. It's going written on, alright, okay, so. But a retrieval of all that here. This is a guide to do the alert right. So copy the database config stuff from here. Paste the database connectivity. Here, so we got my school library. So where is this one? I want to. I put it to the get right. Yet we are getting this itself. Yeah. We can. We can change this one as alerted only. We require only one write. We can modify the query to return only one column. Okay. So it should come. You can type but so alrighty. So why man is not opening? Yeah, this is okay. Okay, this one delete. Okay, I copy this thing. So this transform message. Okay, the first time some messages. The first time some message, you are creating the L parameter. See variable alerted or variable alerted. Okay, here also. Here also I see variable alerted, right? Yeah, variable alert, it is fine. Why we are going this thing? Yeah, variable alerted, you can put variable. Always prefer to go for variables. So attributes always come from the header. Okay, at least one header. Actually, this API will hit from the Postman or any KTP client, right? Okay, so while you are hitting this API and TTIP client on the L, you pass the alerted. Alerted on the all. That L you grab over here using this attribute of your API REMS. Store that in a variable. And here also I am doing maps.alerted. Okay, that's fine. This I want to put in transformation. So now we create one more process AP where we will call the both these APIs. Let's see how it behaves. Oh, what's the local port available? So AAP/alerts. Let me see the resource name. What is source name? Resource name in the API. 1 second. Let me see the resource name. What resource name we will put? The resource name is @1 at alerts active. Alerts active slash. I like the number. Okay. Alerts active. If you see the API resource, let me copy the resource of this one. So this one slash. I want to see in the form database. Get any alert and give that alert number over here. What alert you want to see? 133295. Okay, give that one a 6295. So yeah, I'm getting that one in this one active alert, right? So if you want to delete this alert, you need to change this one as delete. And you can test if you want to delete this alert. Okay, you want this? Yeah, then send it your. So what we did is over here actually this transfer message should come over here. This is the final, response you want to show to the customer, right? So, or else what we can do is we can, you can transform to payload. So, okay, now we'll check the other one. And check with other idea. Let me see you to get started. It's deployed. Deployed. Yeah, you get started the confirmation, so it's deployed. So that's the response. Yeah, database 0 means 0 record. It is not successful. That's the meaning. We can manage with that one. Your records got deleted, okay? And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.